Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. Your dental and jewelry spa. Get that sparkling clean in minutes. Tired of scrubbing your retainers, dentures, or jewelry like it's a medieval chore? Meet the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner, the futuristic way to blast away grime, bacteria, and odors with zero effort. Using high-frequency 45 kHz ultrasonic waves, this cleaning beast reaches every microscopic crevice your toothbrush can't touch. Whether it's your braces, mouth guards, toothbrush heads, or even delicate jewelry, this 200 ml cleaner takes them from funky to fresh in just minutes. No scrubbing, no soaking, just press a button and watch the magic happen. Why settle for basic cleaning when you can have professional-grade sanitization at home? With 4 upgraded UV lights, this machine doesn't just clean, it obliterates bacteria and odors for that fresh, like new feeling. Choose from 4 cleaning modes to customize your deep clean: quick 5-minute UV plus ultrasonic, 10-minute pulsed cleaning, full ultrasonic, or UV-only mode. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains or delicate jewelry, this cleaner adapts to your needs, ensuring your items are spotless without damage. Some cleaners sound like a spaceship taking off, not this one. Designed with noise-reducing vents and non-slip rubber stabilizers, this machine works quietly while you go about your day. Plus, its compact, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for home or on-the-go use. The dual multifunctional reserve holes let you clean longer items like toothbrush heads and makeup brushes, ensuring your essentials stay hygienic and fresh. It's the clean you need, without the headache you don't. Forget flimsy plastic cleaners that barely last a month. This well-built, tech-tested ultrasonic cleaner is made to go the distance. The sturdy 200 ml tank provides enough space for all your dental gear, jewelry, and more, while the high-powered ultrasonic waves ensure a deep clean every time. Compared to pricey dental cleanings, this affordable powerhouse saves you money while delivering clinic-level results at home. It's the investment that keeps your essentials clean and your wallet happy. Know someone who wears dentures, retainers, braces, or jewelry? This ultrasonic cleaner is the ultimate game-changer for seniors, teens, beauty lovers, and gadget enthusiasts alike. The one-button control makes it effortless to use, and the sleek design looks great on any counter. Why wait? Click buy now and experience the easiest, most effective clean of your life.